My name's Ben Choi. I'm a senior at Harvard College and I study applied math and computer science. My thesis looks at large language models. Specifically, these modern LLMs are kind of a black box. What I do in my thesis is I apply machine learning techniques, specifically from this branch of machine learning that focuses on the kind of geometry of representations, geometric machine learning. And I look at how these large language models, in their kind of internal representations, depict and represent emotion. And I compare that with how humans represent emotion, both in traditional models from psychology and also in human brainwaves, and there are some really cool parallels between the two. My sophomore year I took Applied Math 220 with Professor Melanie Weber, and I remember one of the things that was really impactful from that course, I'd already been interested in the field of machine learning, was the really elegant parallels between a lot of geometric structure and how those relate to modern machine learning techniques. I was really interested in the field of neural signal processing as a whole. At the time, I was really looking at brainwaves and how kind of in these very high-dimensional noisy representations in the human brain, how different structures emerge. And one of the cool things in this thesis was I was able to apply this kind of signal processing and looking at these noisy structures, but in kind of artificial brains, so to speak. And so that was kind of a cool convergence of the stuff I'd been working on prior and also these techniques I'd been learning about in the classroom with Professor Weber. I'll be working as a machine learning researcher in industry. I'm really excited about, using research to, make a meaningful difference and meaningful impact, and I'm excited to continue to do so going forward.